Well, Andrew, I know you mentioned tornado warnings for Deep East Texas yesterday.
That's right. We had some storms that moved through our area as well. It did cause some minor damage in parts of Sabine County, but now we are drying things out across the area and getting colder again.
Oh.
Ready for the cooler temperatures?
It's already cold to me.
Yeah, it's already cooling off here, and Deep East Texas still hanging on to some 70s, but let's take a look at what we can expect for the week ahead. We'll start with storm reports, though, from what we saw last night through the day on Saturday. You can see some large hail reports over by Nacogdoches. I believe that was golf ball-sized hail over in Nacogdoches. And then to our south and east here towards the Hemphill, you can see some wind damage reports and then a tornado report as well. The National Weather Service still working through the storm surveys at this time to determine if there was actually a tornado on the ground. But let's take a look back into Louisiana. There were some damaging wind gusts up by Winfield towards Montgomery, Louisiana, some large hail along I-49, and then a tornado did some moderate damage in parts of Sabine Parish, Louisiana, where that circulation did tighten up. And that storm also developed more of that hook signature, which usually shows that there may be a tornado on the ground. Further down to the south, towards the Houston area, there was some significant flooding south of Livingston, and then several tornadoes potentially reported there closer to the Houston metro area. So it was a very active one across the southeast. We did get a lot of rainfall as well, especially into Deep East Texas. Here's a look at radar estimates over the past 48 hours. Deep East Texas is the big winner here with these rainfall totals. Again, we saw some totals over 6 inches right at the Sabine and San Augustine County line. In southern Angelina County, we got a reading there of 4.6 inches, nearly 3 inches near Center, and about 2 inches near Nacogdoches, again estimated by radar. So we got some much needed rainfall, especially into Deep East Texas, which will help relieve some of the drought concerns. Also, with that cold front, temperatures are cooling off. You can see compared to the 24 hours ago, we are now 10 degrees cooler for many of us. Still a bit warmer, though, into Deep East Texas, but this cold air is going to gradually move in as we head over the next several hours here. Here's a look at futurecast temperatures. 8 o'clock tonight, temperatures are falling into the 40s for the most part, and then as we head towards midnight, some of us are even getting into the 30s, especially closer to the Interstate 30 corridor, where there could be a light freeze for your Monday morning. So as you head off to work or school Monday morning, definitely want to bundle up out there as temperatures fall into the 30s. And again, I think we do see the chance for a light freeze closer to Interstate 30. Elsewhere, we stay mainly above freezing thanks to some cloud cover. But if clouds disperse sooner than expected, then we could see colder temperatures for your Monday morning as well. But by 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Monday, we're in the upper 40s and lower 50s. And then by 5 o'clock in the evening on Monday, by the time you're heading back home from work, our temperatures will be in the 40s and low 50s. So a chilly day overall for our Monday. And then Tuesday morning is going to be the coldest of the next 7. I think we see a widespread freeze across the area with temperatures mainly from the mid-20s to the lower 30s again for Tuesday morning. And that looks to be the coldest morning, like I mentioned, for this week ahead. And so we'll be continuing to track that potential for another freeze for us, especially Tuesday morning with some afternoon light showers as well. We're drying things out for Wednesday, Thursday. More shower chances returning for Friday. Quick look at your Deep East Texas 7-day forecast. Again, a slight chance of some rain on Tuesday and then more rain chances for Friday and Saturday.